Hi everyone, I'm Lottie Ann and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video to all of you, but here I am and I'm actually catching up right now. I am making some Pokemon. This one is actually called, let me share it with all of you. Let me find a picture of it. Okay, well here's one here. I am making, what is the name of this Pokemon? I can't remember the name. Here's a picture of it. I'm actually making Marshadow, and I'm making the green one right here. See this green one? So that is what I'm making, and I'm making part of the body first. And instead of using, it tells you to use a pipe cleaner. Instead, I'm using these little, these are wooden balls leftovers. I have two in here, and then this is the third one. And the only reason why I'm putting it in there is so it becomes really hard and sturdy. So, and the head is kind of big, and it'll hold up the amigurumi. So this is really great. And then I have another one I completed yesterday. Is this is Registeel, and that's actually his face right there. And it is a Christmas gift for my daughters, her boyfriends, nephews. They got 3 sons. So one of them is going to get this one. One is going to get Marshadow. And then after I'm done with Marshadow, I am going to make another one. And it will be Bulbasaur. It'll be this one right there. So I'm going to make this one today, finish it up. Oops, I dropped my needle. And I hope all of you guys can hear me, but welcome to Lottie and Sylvia's channel. This is actually my main channel. I post a lot of different things on this main channel. So you can check out my other channel. If you look down below under this channel, you can see the other links to my other channels. I am affiliate marketer. I am internet marketer. And I do make a little money on the side doing that too. So I'm going to finish this one up. And I hope you guys enjoy my channel. If you're listening to me, I will update more of about me and my life. And I have several channels, so you can jump from one channel to the other. I'm always uploading videos every day. I just haven't done one live lately on this channel. I do post a lot of videos on Facebook too, so I'm constantly making videos because I have the passion making videos, and that's why I have this YouTube channel. I like to help people with their business tools online, help them promote themselves to help you become successful. Alright, so I will check all of you out. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned to the latest video I will upload later. Bye for now.